Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, my name is Mohsin. Today our topic is you will make Sudoku game in Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software, and we are using Microsoft Excel as a database software, and everyone know about database that we will record information. The first thing you will understand that we are using gamification word. Gamification means a software which is not designed or created for a game, but we are doing games on that software because Microsoft is a known gaming software. So that's why I will use the gamification word. You will check this word on the internet and you will find information about gamification. First, here you can see that how you will create this Sudoku game in your computer in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, you have to understand about that you have Microsoft Excel in your computer, because after Windows installation you will need Microsoft Office, and here you will check that you have Excel or not. Right here Excel like this, and you will find the Excel in front of you. Click on that Microsoft Excel, click on the blank workbook, and then you have a Microsoft Excel workbook. So there is a lot of tutorials regarding this topic. You will check my earlier videos regarding Microsoft Excel. So first, take a look, select all like this, click on that area. It will select all entire the workbook. Drag the width column from the upward side like this. Now you have a very large cells. Okay, this is by column wise. Now again, you will adjust the rows like this. It's according to your need. I want only 3 by 3, so I will select the 3 by 3 matrix here. Go to the all border options and then click. Now it will be visible. So first you will check that you will create a 3 by 3 matrix. So here you can see. Now go to the view option. Now grid lines are here. It is visible, but it's not printable. First, you click anywhere on the cell, go to the grid lines and uncheck this box. It will be hiding all the grid lines which is present in the Microsoft Excel. So here you will click here. Now you will see there is no any grid lines here. Okay, adjust your zooming level according to your need, and now you have a 3 by 3 matrix in front of you. First, select all the cells and go to the formatting option. First, you will check the word like 1 here. It's a very small and short, but I want my text in the cell which is fit and which is bigger, which is visible, you can say. So first, you will click on the center, increase the size according to the height or you can say the space of the cell. If your 72 size is almost, you can say in a predefined option, you can say the 72 is the limit here. If I want a bigger, more than 72, so you will backspace right here 100 and press enter key. I think it's enough. It is enough for entire cell. So here the first step. First you will write here any numbers 1 to 3 like this. This is the first pattern. This is your choice. You will select any number, any pattern in any cell. You will write here like this, and also you will write here like this. So we have different options, but make sure if you select a number, then your choice will be the first, you can say in the first time, but after that you will choose the number according to the number which is present in the cell. So let's hear for a Sudoku game. First, you will understand about the Sudoku game. So boys and girls and my dear students, you can say the Sudoku games is very easy game. Here 1. Okay, if I write in the cell 1 here, so I will not repeat that number in the same row and the same column. It means there is no 1 here again. So this is the Sudoku game, and the same procedure for the other number as well. We are going towards the 3 by 3 matrix. It means we need 3 numbers here, and you will not write here a 4, and you will not add and create any 4 numbers here. So 1 to 3 means only 3 numbers. You have 3 three number choices. So, but the problem is you will not repeat the same number of the entire column in the entire row. You will repeat this number like diagonal, but you will not repeat the number by horizontal and vertical position. First, I will write here 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2, 3, because there is no repeating. Okay, so here you can see you have two choices, like you will write here 1 and you will write here 3. But if I'm writing here 3, so I haven't any option about 3 here, because 3 is almost there. So you will write here 1 and I will write here 3. So it's wrong, because 3 is repeating in the same column. So you will write here 3 and then write here 1. Now it's okay. 1 and 2. Now check. So it's very easy to understand about the Sudoku game, but make sure it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix is easy to understand and easy to check. But if I going towards the 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, it will be very difficult to understand and checking the number, and it will take so much time you can say. So here is another way you will check your numbers are repeating or not. So there is a automatic option here, conditional formatting. First step is you will select the column. We will do this step by step, column by column. First, select column number 1. Go to the duplicate values, highlight cells in duplicate values, click and press OK. The same procedure for the next column. Select only column number 2 and go to the conditional formatting and click on duplicate values. Now select the third column here, duplicate value and click OK. And then right here, now this procedure now begins, you can say the row wise. So select the row number 1 first, duplicate value, press OK, select row, second row, duplicate value and then OK. And now the last step is select the third row, duplicate values. OK. Now all procedure has done. Now you will check that it's working or not. I will insert a 1 here. Now you will check that it's the numbers duplicate in the same row or the same column. It will highlighting like this. See, that is the magic. Excel is you can say doing for you that the finding, you can say the error in your Sudoku game. So it will be very easy for you, because if you are doing 9 by 9 or 10 by 10 matrix, it's really you can say difficult to find the duplicate number of the entire worksheet. So here you can see I will write here 2. Now it's normal. I will write here 3. Now you can see the duplicates are duplicate finder are here 3, 3 and 3. See, this is a very simple procedure, and you will you can say this procedure apply on the 4 by 4, 5 by 5 and so on. Now practice all the codes using this procedure or method, but make sure do as it is, as you will see here, and make sure right here the rename option, like you will rename the sheet, it will be easier to find. Right here X, because there is no multiplication symbol here. Okay, so that's it. Hope you all understand the topic. If you have any problem, any query, so you will share your problems in the comment section. If you understand that, like this video and subscribe as well. Thank you.